Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check who unfriended you on Facebook. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step here, what we're going to do, we'll go and open our Facebook app as you can see over here. And now once we open Facebook app, we're going to click on our icon up the right corner, and from here we'll go down to settings and privacy, and then we'll click on settings. And once we click on settings, what we're going to do here, we'll go scroll down until we can go to activity log. So just go down a little bit until you can see it over here, and then we click on it. And then once we're here, we're going to click on connections and choose friends, click on it, and then go for removed friends. And from here, you can see who unfriended you on Facebook. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.